Peaget view of child. Active construct of knowledge. Peaget. Active construct of knowledge. Construct of knowledge. Active. Peaget view of child. Key process adoption through assimilation and accommodation. Assimilation, accommodations. धीरे धीरे खाप खुआइबा. Assimilations fit new info into existing schema. Fit is assimilations. अंतःकरण. Accommodation change schema to fit new info. Change schema to fit new. Assimilation fit new existing schema. Assimilation. Equilibrations. Balance between assimilation and accommodations. Pages first stages. Sensorimeter, psychometer, people, semimeter, P operational, concrete operationals. Concrete operational and formal operationals. Sensorimeter, pre-operational, concrete operational and formal operational. Sensorimeter stages age birth to 2 years. Birth to 2 years. Sensorimeter key achievement object permanence. Birth to 2 years. Sensorimeter. Sensorimeter key achievement object permanence. Object permanence. Understand object exists even when unseen. Understand object. Object exists when even when unseen. नहीं देखने से भी समझ सकता है. प्री ऑपरेशनल स्टेज 2 to 7 years. 2 से 7 साल. प्री ऑपरेशनल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ईगोसेंट्रिज्म, ईगो, अहंवाद, एनिमिज्म, सिंबॉलिक थॉट, ईगोसेंट्रिज्म, inability to see others perspective. और हर किसी को पर्सपेक्टिव को नहीं देखना. इनएबिलिटी. एनिमिज्म एट्रीब्यूट टू लाइफ, टू नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट. लाइफ नॉन लिविंग को भी लाइफ एट्रीब्यूट करना. कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल 7 to 11. कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल की एबिलिटी लॉजिक thought about concrete object. Logical thought about concrete object. Conservation. Quantity remains same despite change in shape. Conservation. Formal operation stage 11 years onwards. Formal operation. Operational. Concrete operational. Formal operationals. Formal operational ability. Abstract, hypothetical, scientific reasoning. Paget schema. Mental framework for organizing info. Mental schema framework. Peaget view of learning. Discovery learning, child led. View on learning. Discovery learning, child led. Discovery learning, child led. Peaget view on learning. Peaget role of teacher. Peaget role of teacher. Discovery learning. Peaget view on learning. Peaget role of teacher, facilitator, provide rich environment, अच्छा परिवेश. Peaget method, clean interview. परिष्कार interview observations. Peaget method, clean interview observation. Clinical interview observations. Peaget focus how thinking develops. Now what is learned. Peaget criticism, underestimate. Social plus cultural influence. Peaget criticism. Social plus cultural influence. Peaget criticism. Underestimate social plus cultural influence. Piaget's stage sequence invariant universal cannot skip. Now what is learned? How thinking develop? What is learned? Piaget's stage sequence invariant universal cannot skip. Universals globally. Piaget example egocentrism. Child covers eyes things you cannot see. तुम देख नहीं सकते. Child covers eyes. Egocentrism. Piaget conservation tax. Liquid number mass area. Piaget intelligence adaptation to environment. Various adaptation. Piaget education implication. Match instruction to developmental age. Sorry. Piaget educational implication. Match instruction to developmental stage. Match. Match. Instruction to developmental stage. Instruction. Vygotsky. Vygotsky theory of social culture. Sociocultural theory. So theory of cognitive development. वही cognitive development के लिए social cultural theory. सामाजिक सांस्कृतिक Vygotsky way of learning. Social interaction drives development. Social interaction. सामाजिक. Vygotsky view of learning. Vygotsky key concept. Zone of proximal development. Proximal. JPD, gap between actual plus potential development with help. Scaffolding, support given by teacher, peer to reach JPD. Teachers plus students or friends to reach. Support socio-cultural. Private speech. More knowledge, other. Person with a higher skill than learner. Higher skill. Vygotsky language role. Rule of thought. Language role. Rule of thought or social plus internal speech. Social plus internal.